Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust sound settings on Razer Seiren Mini. And to do this we'll need to use our sound panel and sound settings on the Windows, since this device is not supported by Razer Synapse. And to do this, open your Start, navigate to the settings, and inside we want to select the sound, and it should be in the system, sound, and here we can go for sound control panel, recording, and here you should find your Razer Seiren Mini. If you want to set it as a default device, you can do it by clicking right here. When it has this green thing next to it, that means it's selected to the default device. Then we can double click on it and go for the listen, and you can listen to this device. If you enable it, that way you'll be able to hear what you're saying on the microphone and test if it works. You can adjust the microphone volume right here, and in advanced settings you'll be able to change the format of the sound. So here you can click on this pop-up and adjust the format however you like. And honestly, that would be all of the settings you can adjust. Nothing else here is much important. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.